Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now here take a 2D sketch. We start from the top plane, so we will select here the XZ plane, rotate the view. Here take the line command. Now make one line like this. Now we are going to make a rough sketch first. Okay, one line like this, one like this, and escape. Now here we will define the dimensions. Go to dimension. From center, this will be at a distance of 60 mm. Okay. Now here this straight line will be at 30 and this dimension here will be of 15. Okay. And the height of this from center will be at 75. Now go to vertical constraint, select this point and select the center. Okay. Now here go to dimension once again, select this center point, select this line, define this as 200 mm. Okay. Now zoom in. Now here take a arc command, take 3-point arc and make one arc profile here. Okay. Now escape. Now here take the tangent constraint, select this line, select this arc, go to dimension, define this as 15 mm. Okay. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point, this will be horizontally aligned. Go to dimension, define it as 20 mm radius. Now escape. Now we will drag this inside. Okay. Now here take the line command, make a one line like this. Okay. Escape. Go to arc command, take 3-point arc and make the 3-point arc here. Okay, like this. Now here take the horizontal constraint, select the center, and here go to dimension, define this as 40 radius. Okay. Now here select this and from the center this will be at 75 mm. Now escape. Now we'll join till here. Okay, and go to trim command, trim this profile and escape. Now this profile has been connected properly. Okay. Now take the line command, make one line from the center point and make one center line here. Escape, select this line, make it construction, and here go to mirror, select this complete profile, select this line also, go to mirror and select the center line, apply and done. Okay. Now here you can see this is moving. Okay. Okay, select this line, click on horizontal constraint. Now this is constrained properly. Now escape. Here we have completed this profile. Now finish sketch, go to extrude and we will extrude it up to 40 mm and press OK. Okay. Now here go to part 6. Now we want this complete round profile. Go to part 1. Here go to fillet. Take here the full round fillet. Select this top face, select this middle face, rotate and select this bottom face. Go to home. This will be the profile. Now press OK. Okay. Now we are going to make the middle profile, the cylinder profile. Go to part 6. You constructed this. Now we are going to construct this profile. Go to part 1. Go to origin. Here we are going to take the top plane, the exit plane. Go to create sketch and here Okay, here when we take this plane, you can see when we are taking this plane, it is at bottom. So to correct this, double click extrude 1. Here we will take symmetric. Go to home. Now this will extrude half this side and half this side with reference to the top plane, and press OK. Now when I take the top plane, the exit plane, you can see the plane is lying at center of this profile. Okay. Now double click sketch 2. Now here take the line command and make one line here, one here, and one line here. Now escape, go to R command and make a joining profile here. Okay. Now here go to concentric and here select this and select this. So this will lie, the center will lie at this center, which was 75 mm from this side. Okay. Now here go to dimension, define this radius as 30 mm and escape. Now we have a moving profile here. So to define that, click on vertical or horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay, go to vertical constraint and here, okay, first we have to project this, then we'll make it vertical. Escape, go to project geometry, project this line. Now escape, go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay, now this is fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, take revolve and select this as center line to rotate the profile. Press OK. Now here go to fillet, take a radius of 20 mm, go to edge selection and select this edge. Okay, it will make a all round profile and press OK. Okay, go to part 6. Now go to top view. Here you can see a joining profile has been created between these two. Okay, go to home, go to part 1. We'll select here, go to create sketch and here we will take rectangle and take 2-point rectangle. Make the rectangle profile, go to dimension. Here the width will be of 50 mm and the height will be of 20 mm. And the distance from here will be of 10 mm and escape. Now here go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay, escape. Okay, this was defined by this. So to define this, go to view, visual style, go to wireframe. We have a movement here, you can see. So to constrain this movement, go to sketch, take vertical constraint. Here we will find the center point and select the center point. Finish sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to shade reduce edges. Go to 3D model, take extrude. Here we will flip the direction. So it will automatically change to cut, but we want a joining profile. Okay. And here we'll click 2 and select this face. So up to this face the extrude will be done and press OK. Go to top view, click on top, you can see the profile. Okay, go to home. Now we'll give the appearance. From here we have taken the yellow color, so we'll define the yellow color here. Okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos.